How to download LinkedIn profile as PDF. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you want to download a LinkedIn profile as PDF, then just know that it is not possible in your mobile app. So you'll need to open up your LinkedIn in your PC or your laptop. So today I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's dive right in. Just open up your Google Chrome and log in into your LinkedIn and then search for the person in the search bar whom you want to save the LinkedIn. Just search for the person on the search bar up whom you want to save the LinkedIn profile of. And for example, I want to save the LinkedIn profile of Bill Gates, so I'm searching Bill Gates. Now go to more, and there you can see save to PDF option. Just tap on it, and then that's it. The download will begin shortly and it will be saved in your file explorer. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.